Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this series of video, I will describe how to access the vaccine slot through CoWin public APIs. Recently, the government of India have opened up this public API so that different applications can track open vaccine slots. However, there are limitations. Do not hack this website as it is useful to get the vaccine at this moment. And in order to prevent, CoWin have already limited the calls to this API to 100 API calls per minute, per 5 minutes from a specified IP. So let's begin. Whatever happens, you are to blame, not me. So please don't try to hack this website. Rather, help someone to get a vaccine slot. And in this meantime, get yourself vaccinated.